Hello children! Today we are going to divide fractions, okay? So again, our topic is dividing fractions. So listen up and I hope you will learn from this lesson. Okay, let's have an example. Let's say 4/10 divided by 1/2. So what do we do, or what is the step in dividing 4/10 by 1/2? Simply, we will use the cross multiplication. Okay? Cross multiplication means we will multiply numerator to the denominator of the second fraction. Okay? Or this part actually is now the divisor. This is the dividend and then the divisor. So you will multiply numerator of the dividend, divide or multiply to 2 of the denominator of the divisor. Okay? So 4 times 2 equals 8. So that will be our numerator. 10 times 1, you will multiply the denominator to the numerator of the divisor. 10 times 1 is 10. So 8/10 is the answer. And again, this is not the lowest term. Let us simplify 8/10. Divide by the GCF of 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So, the answer is 4/5. Another one. Let's see. 8/20 divided by 3/4. Let's have this. Okay? So, cross multiply. 8 times 4 equals 32 over 20 times 3 equals 60. Okay, so it's a bigger number. Let us simplify. 32 over 60. So what do you think is our GCF? Okay, so let's have these two numbers are divisible by 4. Okay, 32 divided by 4 equals 8. Right? 60 divided by 4 equals 15. So therefore, the answer is 8/15. Okay? Again, 8/20 divided by 3/4. So, 8 times 4, 32. 20 times 3 equals 60. 32 over 60. We will simplify or we will change this to lowest term. And the GCF is 4. 32 divided by 4 is 8. 60 divided by 4 is 50. What if we are dividing a whole number, let's say a whole number, 4 divided by 1/2. So in this case, 4 is a whole number. When we change this into a fraction, okay, a whole number is always over 1. Okay? So, let us do cross multiplication. 4 times 2 equals 8. 1 times 1 equals 1. So, if it's 8/1, the answer is 8. Okay? Again, you are dividing a whole number of 4 divided by 1/2. The whole number, change it to a fraction, becomes 4/1. And then, do the step of multiplying 4 times 2 equals 8. 1 times 1 equals 1. 8 over 1, or the answer is 8. Okay? Another example. Let's say 10 as the whole number becomes 10 over 1 divided by 2 fifths. Okay? 2 fifths. So, let us cross multiply. 10 times 5 is 50 over 1 times 2 equals 2. So, again, it is an improper fraction, and to make it an improper, we will divide. 50 divided by 2 equals 25. So, it's not a fraction, or it doesn't have any fraction, because our answer is a whole number of 25. So, that means 10 divided by 2 fifths, the answer is 25. Okay? Let us have a mixed number, let's say 2 and 1/4, divided by a simple fraction of 1/2. Okay, so again, you change this into an improper. Let's do it. 4 times 2 equals 8 plus 1. That is 9 over 4 divided by 1/2. So what's the answer? 9 times 2, 18 over 4. So, this time it is an improper. So let's divide. 18 divided by 4, you'll get 4, remainder 2, and that is 2 over 4. So let's show it, okay? So let me erase this one. How did you get 4 and 2/4? So, the answer here is 18 over 4. So, you divide 18 divided by 4. So, 18 divided by 4, you get 4. So, this is now your whole number. 4 times 4, 16. Subtract 18 minus 16 equals 2. So, this is the remainder, okay? So, 4 as the whole number, remainder of 2 over 4. That's the original denominator. But then, 2/4 is not the lowest term. Divide this by 2. You'll get whole number. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So, the lowest term is 4 and 1/2. That's the answer. Okay? Okay, let's just have another proper fraction. Let's say 9 over 30 divided by 2/3. Okay? So, cross multiply. 9 times 3 is 27. 2 times 30 is 60. Again, it's not the lowest term. 27 over 60 divided by its GCF of what? What's the GCF? Okay. The answer is 3. Okay, 3. So, both number are factors, or this number 3 is both factors of 27 and 60. Okay? So, 27 divided by 3, the answer is 9. 60 divided by 3 is 20. So, this is now the final answer, or the lowest term. So, 90 or 9 over 30 divided by 2/3, the answer is 9 over 20. Let's have simple one. 8 over 10 divided by 1/4. Cross multiply. 8 times 4, 32. Over 10 times 1 is 10. Okay, divide. 32 divided by 10, you'll get 3 as the whole number. Remainder of 2 over 10. Now, simplify 2/10 divided by 2 over 2. The answer is 1/5. So the whole number is 3. Therefore, your answer is 3 and 1/5. Do you get it? So how do we get the whole number of 3? Because we divide 32 by 10. Simply, you will get the answer of 3. Okay, so 3 as the whole number. And then the remaining fraction is 2/10, which we simplify by dividing by the GCF of 2. And then we have an answer of 1/5. So, the answer is 3 and 1/5. So again, let's have a recap with this example. Let's say 4/5 divided by 1/3. Okay? So, let us cross multiply 4 times 3 equals 12, our numerator. And then 5 times 1 is 5. So, again, our answer is an improper fraction. Therefore, our answer, 12 divided by 5 is 2. And the remaining fraction is 2 and what? 2 and 2/5. Okay? Very easy. Just do the cross multiplication. 4 times 3 equals 12. 5 times 1 equals 5. Then, if it's an improper fraction like this, you divide 12 divided by 5, you'll get a whole number of 2 and a remainder of 2 over 5. So, you are just simply writing down the original denominator. Okay? So, the answer is 2 and 2/5. So, with that, thank you once again. This is your teacher, Anne. Thank you very much. See you on our next vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.